bought.
New purchase for the 21st century caveman.
Absolutely.
Boys and their toys.
Absolutely.
Well, we've just averted a major disaster. One of the stabiliser arms fell off the back here and narrowly missed somebody travelling in a van behind us, and unbelievably the van was scrap metal. Anyway, so we've pulled up and we're just fixing these properly, these stabilisers basically. Thank God nobody was hurt, even though it's a pretty severe moment. I just couldn't help laughing when I saw it as a scrap metal, you know, white van. Bloody typical, eh? So anyway, we're securing these in place and all should be good. Make sure they're absolutely solid, Joe. So let's just hope the ratchet straps from Aldi hold this thing in place. Just realised actually, I haven't got my bloody registration plate on the back there ever, idiot. So important lesson everybody, always make sure you got a permanent marker with you. Hopefully problem solved. Hopefully won't get stopped and get nicked, but see what happens. Can't do anything about it now. Do not tow over 5 miles an hour. There you go, let's get rid of that straight away. Oh yeah, there was another thing. So the this bit here was too thick for me to slot in there and put the pin in. So I've got a heavy duty chain, I've padlocked that into place and yeah, sorted that out. Still on there, thank God. So that'll keep that nice and tight. Use some cable ties, look, just to keep everything in place. So yeah, all good in the hood. As every Boy Scout should know, always be prepared. Right peeps, so I've taken the stabilisers, or the outriggers, from the top there. I've removed the strapping. And now I've got to try and work out how to get that off the back of the trailer. Now this weighs 250 kilos, I'm led to believe, which is 1/4 of a tonne. So realistically, I don't think it's something which me and my son can just lift off there. So, question to anybody watching this video, what would you do? How would you get it off the back of this truck without damaging it? You know, bearing in mind I don't have any ramps or anything. Let me know in the comment section below.